Two AI video giants, Stable Diffusion and Pika Labs. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, Stable Diffusion, open source powerhouse for creative control. And on the right, Pika Labs, intuitive, fun AI video for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we start, check this out. A mind map of every angle we're going to compare. We've got creative features, ease of use, pricing and licensing, output quality, customization and control, and yep, community and ecosystem. That's basically every pain point or perk you'll run into with these platforms. First up, let's talk creative features, because honestly, that's where the magic happens, right? So with Stable Diffusion, you get a ton of flexibility for prompt-based generation. And if you want to tweak stuff, customize models, or go deep with image-to-video and text-to-video settings, this is your playground. But be warned, it's kind of technical. Like, you have to roll up your sleeves, dig into some setup, and the UI isn't exactly flashy. It's more like a Swiss Army knife than a pop-up art studio. Now, Pika Labs takes this whole scene and flips it with their ingredients. You just drag in a character, style, whatever, and the system lets you add advanced camera pans, wild rolling effects, peak effects, templates, even remix videos. It's super visual, super interactive, and honestly, it makes messing around with video just plain fun. The catch? You need to feed it strong inputs for consistency. And yeah, the coolest bits sit behind a subscription. Still, for creative features, Pika Labs definitely takes the cake. Moving on, ease of use. So Stable Diffusion is no joke when it comes to how you run it. You can fire it up locally, use Collab, or even jump onto comfy UI if you feel brave. There's documentation, and yeah, you can make it work on pretty much anything. But it can get ugly fast if you're not technical. Setting this up is like building IKEA furniture with missing instructions. Pika Labs? Oof. It's like walking into an Apple store. You get web access, Discord actions, instant results, type in your prompt, and boom, video. Even has templates and clear tutorials. There's a ceiling on what you get for free, but it's as beginner-friendly as it gets. So Pika Labs wins here. No contest, really. Let's talk pricing and licensing. Stable Diffusion is kind of the wild card here. You want to use it for something non-commercial? It's basically free. Want total freedom? Host it yourself, and there's almost no software cost. But if you go commercial, you'll need a license, which can add some fees. And if you're running it in the cloud, there's going to be compute costs. Pika Labs, on the other hand, rolls with free starter credits and daily refills. Their paid plans are straightforward, starting at $8 a month for personal use, $28 for commercial, but, and here's the kicker, you get hit with paywalls for HD video, longer duration, and some cool peak effects. So, for raw budget flexibility, Stable Diffusion sneaks the win. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Pika Labs' ingredients feature, it literally lets you turn, say, your cat, your sneaker, or your favorite mug into a living animated character. It takes seconds, and you can share it with friends. Is that wild or what? Next up, output quality and flexibility. Stable Diffusion is capable of some cinematic, moody scenes, whether you kick off from text or an image, and the newer SVD models boost your video up to around 25 frames. Researchers really get a canvas to play with, tuning stuff, pushing limits, but there is a catch. Videos are kinda short versus other Pro tools, and you're not getting native sound support out of the box. Pika Labs fires back with smooth motion and HD 1080p videos in the latest 2.1 drop. And you can swap objects or keep person consistency locked in. You do need paid plans to unlock more duration or resolution. And sometimes the video generator slips up. Little flickers, weird faces, that kind of thing. Honestly, both are strong here, but there's no real runaway winner. So we're calling this one a tie. On to customization and control. Now, this is where things get nerdy. Stable Diffusion lets you dive deep. I'm talking change model settings, mess with workflow logic, or even train and fine-tune your own video models. And if you're the kind who likes connecting up other AI tools, no problem. Downside? There's no way this setup is friendly for someone who just wants to play around. You need patience and probably some programming stamina. Pika Labs, on the flip side, is all about making fast edits. Pull in an effect, nudge a camera, remix with a template. Super convenient, but honestly, you can't reach under the hood and make big changes. So for power users, Stable Diffusion totally dominates this round. And last but not least, community and ecosystem. Stable Diffusion has a huge open source crowd behind it. Tons of add-ons, active forums, tons of research. If there's a new breakthrough, you'll probably hear about it here first. Only catch is, if you run into any trouble, you're stuck with community help, no official support hotline. Pika Labs brings the hype with web, Discord support, active user base, and fast-paced feature rollouts. But their dev and engineering crowd is smaller, and some major features get locked behind the paid plans. Stable Diffusion's ecosystem is just bigger, so it takes the crown. Let's throw up a radar chart to show how these two stack up across all categories. Pika Labs scores big on ease of use and creative fun, while Stable Diffusion flies high with control, price flexibility, and its massive community. They're both solid, but they do shine in totally different places. So how should you pick? If you want to jump in and make epic viral videos, or if you're a content creator who just needs speed, templates, effects, that's Pika Labs all day. But if you want to mess with the deepest levels of customization, run weird experiments, or just keep everything free and open, that's Stable Diffusion's turf. Go with Pika for fast fun, or Stable Diffusion for creative freedom, especially if you're a bit of a mad scientist. If this breakdown helped out, share it with your creative crew. And you know what? Stick around. We've got plenty more AI tool battles coming.